Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to East West Style with Elegance channel. New Year brings a fresh set of makeup trends to master. For 2021, vibrant colors and nostalgia are two major themes. We have compiled the makeup trends for you that are going to blow up in 2021. According to experts, trend number 1 will be the smoldering eyeliner. Experts predict that smoldering eye look will be famous among the 2021 makeup trend set. A classic white lined liner look can really make us feel put together. We are obsessed with NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Eyeliner. They come in all colors. Trend number 2 will be the bright colored mascara. When it comes to bright colored mascara, we can play with colored mascara in a very technical way. If you want to build up a C color mascara, use one coat of blue mascara first, followed by a stroke of black or brown. It is called a layering technique. As far as my choice, the cobalt blue and deep sea green option from L'Oreal is my favorite. Trend number 3 will be the sky high lashes. 2021 will be the year for everything eyes and lashes, the longer and more lifted. This is a very super easy way to have a major beauty look with minimum effort. Surratt's Beauty's Noir Last Tint might look bizarre, but it will give you the longest fringe. Trend number 4 will be the stained lip color. Long wear lipstick had a more relevant place in our beauty bags. Apply a couple of coats of your favorite stain and blot in between each application. In this way, lipstick will not smear all over your face. Armani's Beauty Lip Maestro collection is our absolute favorite. The color range is epic. Trend number 5 is resurgence of early 2000s. Early 2000 is back for 2021 with full feathery brows, filling in your brows with light upward strokes using the thin brow pencil which ensure the more realistic finish. As 2000 makeup is back, in which you can create your chocolate lip color by outlining your pouch with flesh tone lip liner, filling it all with your moisturizing lipstick and pressing your lips together to blur out lip line. Beautician favorite is Propa's Beauty collection of lipstick which contain a variety of neutral brown hues that cater to all skin tone. The number 6 in trending is Fresh Skin. Triple cleanse your face with gentle face cleansing. After cleansing, massage your facial scrub on your face without rinsing and do massage especially on nose, chin and forehead, and then apply a detox mask leaving your skin soft and hydrated. Then apply oil and bat it for stimulating blood flow and absorption. Do 2 times per week for the best result. The number 7 in trend is Technicolor lids. Makeup trends for 2021 is bold and bright eyelids. It's time to get creative with eyes. Painting color block shapes on eyes with Juvia's Play Sohala 2 eyeshadow palette. It has colors of rainbow to create something bold and unique on your eyelid. The number 8 on trending is graphic lines. This year, sharp lines are still going strong, whether it's classic cat eyes or 60s inspired negative space liner. Opt for creamy gel liner with a fine tip. You shall easily be able to draw precise lines without any tucking. Maybelline Stato Studio waterproof long wearing eyeliner pencil is one of our favorite. Number 9 is on trending is under eye sparkle. It's time to reverse your glitter application. This year's glitter will be rocking under the eyes instead of on the lid. These are some trends for this year 2021. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, like and subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to stay tuned for our latest videos.